how to use Trust Wallet on PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the usage of Trust Wallet on our PC or laptop. So to allow ourselves to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to trustwallet.com over here. So here you can see best crypto wallet. So you're going to come here. It's your basic crypto exchange website. Okay, it's a good crypto wallet as well, and it's true crypto ownership with powerful Web3 experiences. So you can do a lot of things. You can download the app, you can download its extension, and a whole lot more. And to actually use it, it supports all these chains, which is pretty incredible. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on download its extension, and its browser extension basically allows you to use it as a wallet. And in that wallet, obviously, you can start storing all these different kinds of currencies that you have. This wallet has a set address, and obviously, you can use this address to transfer crypto from your Binance, from any other, crypto transfer. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it's really fun. Okay, so if you're really into crypto exchange and crypto trading, please do use Trust Wallet, because all it takes is an extension and you have the most trustworthy wallet with a great address and really fast transferring. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you're going to be using Trust Wallet, and from there on out, transfer crypto, NFTs, swap it, whatever you want. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.